your hands. Sorry. I think you want to see your hands. Hey, we're going to get that guy and he's up in the water. Yeah. I'll be next time to leave you.
Nothing you told him? The moron overheard a conversation Greg and I were having. Yeah, but what if you said something? I can't believe a retarded sweetheart like you knew one. Don't worry. Please, don't go. Hello? Hello, Steve. Guess what? No, you got the wrong guy. Don't do it.
Sorry, Bobby got out this morning.
I haven't seen him around. Is he hurt?
You mean since you branded him the Candyman? No, his heart is broken. Yo, son, it's like I've seen this all before.
High school shorty?
Yeah, it was in this movie and everything.
How did it end?
I don't know, son. Started shooting up in the movie theater. We just broke out. No doubt.
Okay, I think we all just stick together. Tonight, everyone meet at my house. And bring some friends, but don't tell everyone, okay? Try to keep it quiet.
Okay. Yo! Party at Sydney's house! Some white women forever!
Okay? Kiss you, Bobby. Tell him I love him.
Okay. Love you, Bobby.